After this, Divya Shivanand. Start.
87 years ago, Franklin D. Roosevelt reminded us that we cannot always build a future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Today, India has dared to do both. The Union Budget 2026 is not just an allocation statement, it is a declaration that we will turn Viksit by 2047 not merely because of our GDP, but because of our youth's transformed capabilities. But declarations are not enough. It requires action and activation. So what if the budget is just the beginning? What if we, the youths, are the accelerators? Because we don't want an India where youth stand in lines for job. We want an India where youth create lines of employment. And that is the India this Yuva Shakti budget is building. Because the reality remains the same, lakhs of Indians, young Indians, step out holding degrees in their hands, but uncertainty in their minds. Dreams which once aimed to create new things are now slowly settling for stability. And this is what this Yuva Shakti budget changes. And I have seen this personally. My mother, who had been a homemaker for over 20 years, got financial stability not because of some external support, but because of initiatives like PM Mudra Yojana and MSME. This is not just her story, this is the story of lakh crores of entrepreneurs all across our country. Because this budget is not just creating an isolated opportunity, it is creating an ecosystem for growth for our youth. 5,000 ITIs transforming hub of skills and innovation, because they are not creating job seekers, they are creating talent exporters. Now, this budget is not just supporting our youth, this is strengthening their ability to lead the future of our nation, because India's greatest natural resource is not oil or coal, it is the curiosity of its youth, waiting not to be used but to be unleashed. And when that curiosity turns into confidence, we move from consumption to creation. Today, we don't just need to use products made in India, we need to build ideas made in India. The Viksit Bharat will not be measured by GDP or metro city skylines. It will be measured when a father stops asking his children, when will you get a government job? That silence, that relief shows us that we have become Viksit Bharat. But this transformation cannot be limited to few cities. The Viksit Bharat shall rise from village streets, from the classrooms, and from the silent determination of millions of young Indians. Because the strength of Yuva Shakti budget is not in what it allocates, but in what it awakens. And we, as being the future leaders and the future policy makers, it is our responsibility to not to wait for opportunities, but to create them. So when we start doing that, that day India will not just become Viksit, India will define what Viksit truly means. Thank you. Jai Hind.